Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Google account and a Philippine mobile number for SMS verification. Next, open Chrome or the Google Voice app. Pick a US number if required. Why this matters: Google uses verification to link you and to prevent abuse. Once done, enter your mobile to receive the code and complete sign-up. Make sure to accept permissions for calls and messages on mobile. This step gets everything authorized, so the service can forward or route calls to you. Now configure forwarding and the number behavior so calls reach you reliably. You add your Philippine mobile as a forwarding phone and test an incoming call. This ensures carriers and app settings cooperate. Then customize voicemail greeting and SMS forwarding. These control how messages are delivered and stored. If you plan to call other countries, purchase voice credits. This avoids carrier overages and gives predictable rates. Once these settings are in place, make trial calls and messages to confirm both directions work as expected. To finish, run full tests. Call your Google Voice number from another line, send SMS, and place outgoing calls using credits. This validates routing and audio quality. If things go wrong, first check app permissions and mobile network, then re-verify your phone number in Google Voice. If calls fail, clear app data or reinstall. Sign in on desktop to isolate device issues. As a last resort, consider a VPN briefly if regional blocks appear, but re-verify after disabling it so your number stays authorized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.